Restoring life, rebuilding hope. Today, Sri Lanka's wild elephants face unprecedented challenges. Lives lost to widespread habitat destruction, a human-elephant conflict over scarce resources, and tragic rail accidents threaten their very survival. On average, more than one elephant is killed every day in Sri Lanka, many of them juveniles. In this delicate balance between existence and extinction, the elephants need our help more than ever. Deep in Sri Lanka's north-central province, in a sanctuary that's home to wild elephants, a broken dam at the Hurulu reservoir has led to low water levels and dried-up grasslands, forcing elephants to risk their lives by crossing a nearby train track and roaming into villages in search of food and water. As part of our 1% for the Elephants initiative, Chaz Organics is partnering with the Umandawa Buddhist community to do something unprecedented: restore the wetland habitat at Hurulu Reservoir to save the wild elephants. After months of excavation and rebuilding the dam, the Hurulu Reservoir once again flows with water, restoring life and hope to this ecosystem. With gratitude, the Chaz Organics team celebrated the inauguration of the Hurulu Lake Wetlands Restoration Project in February, along with the Venerable Sanatha Taro and the Umandawa Buddhist community. As the Venerable Taro shared, we are not owners of nature, but participants in a complex, interconnected world, with each drop of water, each blade of grass, each breath connected. As the team gathered in celebration, a silent witness joined in, overlooking the ceremony from a nearby hilltop. A majestic guardian of this restored sanctuary, and a reminder that when we restore balance by giving back to the natural world gives back to us. 1% for the elephants is so much more than just charity. With your support, we're restoring entire ecosystems and saving lives. Thank you for being a part of this journey.